Hello students, welcome to the course Software Design and Modeling presented by Department of Information Technology, Sanjeevani College of Engineering, Kopargaon. In this video, you will learn topic 1.3, some of the object-oriented methodologies from Unit 1, Object-Oriented Methodologies and UML. In this topic, you will learn Object-Oriented Design by Butch, Object Modeling Techniques by Rumbach, Object-Oriented Analysis by Jordan, Object-Oriented Software Engineering by Ivar Jacobson. So there were many techniques, but some of the techniques were very much popular and one of these, some of these techniques we shall be discussing here. So among that, OMT was the technique developed by Rumbach. The OMT, a method for analysis, design and implementation of a system using an object-oriented technique. So OMT, it is one of the object-oriented technique introduced by Rumbach. OMT has representation for class, attributes, method, inheritance and association. OMT supports representation of dynamic behavior of objects. OMT also supports detailed state transition and their description within a state. OMT can be used to represent a process description and consumer-producer relationship using its functional model. So it used many graphical ways to prepare the design of software which is object oriented. The different types of models of OMT include the object model presented by the model and the data dictionary, the dynamic model presented by the state diagrams and event flow diagrams, then a functional model presented by data flow and the constraints. Then next it is the Butch methodology. So it lets you design your system using the object paradigm. It has large set of symbols. So because of this, the Butch uh, methodology was very much criticized because large set of symbols are there, but very less number of those are effectively used while preparing the model. The Butch method consists of the following diagrams: the class diagram, the object diagram, the state transition diagrams, the module diagram, the process diagram, the interaction diagram. So these diagrams are there in the Butch methodology, and it specifies the notations for drawing each of these particular diagrams. Then finally the object oriented software engineering. It was proposed by the Jacobson. The heart of this particular methodologies is the use case concept. OOSE is also called objectory. Uh, Objectory is built around several models. So it has use case model, the domain object model, analysis object model, and implementation model, test model. So these were the different models that were proposed by this Jacobson in its methodology, which is called the object oriented software engineering. So as it is already discussed, the use case model which was proposed by this particular Jacobson, it was very popularly used. So like this, many software modeling techniques which were based on the object oriented uh, technologies were existing, and different peoples were using this particular different technologies. So that is why when it came for communication between the people who were using the different terminology, then they usually do not understand their models, as those particular models were developed in the different technologies. So uh, that is why a unification of all these technologies, a common standard notation, it was very much required. So how that particular unification was done? So this particular authors or these researchers, Rumbach, Jacobson, uh, came together, and they developed one unified approach. So that we shall see in the next class. So this is what we have discussed in this particular topic, and in the next class we shall see the unification. Thank you.